Social Security replaces only about 40% of your pre-retirement income, which means there are big costs in retirement you will have to cover entirely on your own. Stick with me to number 6, because it is the one expense that quietly wipes out entire life savings. First, some context on just how little you have to work with. The average Social Security check in 2026 is $2,071 a month. And for most seniors, $202.90 of that is taken out for Medicare Part B before it ever hits the bank, leaving many people living on under $22,500 a year. So here are the 8 costs you need to plan for yourself, and the first one catches a lot of people completely off guard. Number 1 is taxes on your own Social Security benefits. Depending on your income, up to 85% of your benefit can be taxable. And because the thresholds have never been adjusted for inflation, about half of all retirees now pay this tax, up from fewer than 10% decades ago. Number 2 is Medicare premiums, and they do more damage than most people realize. Not only does that $200 premium come straight out of your check, but when premiums rise, they eat your raise. So this year's 2.8% adjustment left the average retiree only about $40 richer instead of $58. Number 3 is dental care, and traditional Medicare pays exactly $0 for it. A routine exam runs about $203 a year, and bigger work like crowns or dentures can add thousands, all of it out of your own pocket unless you have a Medicare Advantage plan. Number 4 is vision care, which follows the exact same pattern. An eye exam averages about $136 without insurance. Glasses are not covered at all, and Medicare only steps in for serious medical issues like cataract surgery. Number 5 is hearing care, and this one gets expensive fast. Medicare largely does not cover it, and a prescription-grade pair of hearing aids averages around $4,000, which is a brutal bill when nearly 40% of seniors live on Social Security alone. Number 6 is the big one I told you to wait for: long-term care. About 70% of people who reach 65 will need it, and a semi-private nursing home room runs a staggering $114,975 a year. Medicare pays nothing for that kind of everyday custodial care, covering only up to 100 days of skilled nursing after a hospital stay, so the rest is entirely on you. Number 7 is sneakier: the slow erosion of your buying power to inflation. The Senior Citizens League says benefits have lost about 13.7% of their buying power just since 2016, because the yearly adjustments do not keep up with the prices retirees actually face, and about 77% of older adults told AARP that a 3% raise simply is not enough. And number 8 is personal home care, the help many people need just to stay in their own homes. A non-medical caregiver averages about $80,080 a year for 44 hours of weekly help, and Medicare does not cover a cent of it. So how do you actually protect yourself against all 8 of these? You need a plan on 2 fronts. If you are still working, a health savings account is a powerful tool, letting you put away up to $4,400 as an individual or $8,750 as a family in 2026, with the money rolling over every year. And if you are already retired, a Medicare Advantage plan is worth a serious look, since many of them bundle in the dental, vision, and hearing coverage that traditional Medicare leaves out entirely. The bottom line is simple: be honest about what Social Security can and cannot do, and build a plan for these 8 costs now, so you do not face a financial disaster in your later years. Because the retirees who struggle most are almost always the ones who assumed their monthly check would stretch to cover everything, and then found out too late that it does not.